Have you ever wondered if the color of your car affects your insurance rate? Or maybe you've heard that a speeding ticket will always raise your insurance costs. Today, I'm going to clear up some common myths about car insurance, giving you the facts you need to manage your policy better. I'll tackle 10 common myths and reveal the truth behind each one, helping you make informed decisions about your car insurance. Stick with me, and you'll discover ways to potentially save money and reduce stress when it comes to your auto insurance. Myth 1. Credit doesn't affect your insurance rate. Contrary to popular belief, your credit history does impact your car insurance rates. Some insurance companies do a soft credit pull, and the higher your credit score is, the more likely you will be placed in a better rating tier. Myth 2. Insurance always covers weather and theft. Basic auto insurance policies don't typically cover damage from things like weather, vandalism, or theft. For that, you'll need a comprehensive policy. Myth 3. Tickets always increase insurance costs. Did you know a single speeding ticket might not hike up your insurance costs, especially if you have a clean driving record otherwise? Some states even offer driving courses to help reduce your rate. Myth 4. Minimum coverage is enough. While most states require some level of auto insurance, the minimum isn't likely to cover all your costs in a serious accident. It's wise to review your insurance coverage with your insurance broker and consider more comprehensive coverage. Myth 5. Personal insurance covers business use. If you use your car for business, don't assume your personal insurance policy covers you. In many cases, you'll need a separate business vehicle insurance policy. Myth 6. Car color affects your rates. Many believe that bright colors like red could cost more to insure. However, the color of your car doesn't influence your insurance rates. Factors like where you reside, the car make, model, and driving history are what matter. Myth 7. More expensive cars cost more to insure. Not always true that pricier cars are more expensive to insure. Often it's the cost to repair a car that determines insurance costs, not just its initial price. Myth 8. Older drivers pay more. Actually, older drivers often enjoy lower rates, thanks to discounts available for mature and retired drivers, particularly those who drive less frequently. Myth 9. Other people's insurance covers accidents in your car. Generally, it's your own auto insurance that covers damages to your car, not the insurance of whoever might be driving when an accident occurs. Myth 10. Military personnel pay more. In fact, if you're in the military, you might qualify for car insurance discounts. This is also true for veterans and their families. Now that we've debunked these common car insurance myths, you're better equipped to handle your insurance needs. Understand these truths can help you choose the right coverage and could even save you money. If you have any more questions or need assistance with your car insurance, don't hesitate to reach out. The team at Vargas & Vargas Insurance is always ready to help. Remember to stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching.